Eating slime I brought in the Tower of London. First we have this putty. It says on the bottom that it's meant to be bouncing. Let's test it out. Lol, I like this texture. Kind of feels like butter slime though. Let's see how high this can bounce. Testing time. Oh my god, that is so high. I am going to call you Blueberry Milkshake. Next, we have clear green slime. OMG, kind of squishy lol. Farting sounds. Ooh. I love the sound of this squishing slime. Kind of looks like aliens' guts. Listen to this. Juicy. Planning on calling this one Alien Jelly. Lastly, we have this clear blue slime.
Get out of there.
OMG, this one is so hard to get out. Ugh. Beautiful. Rips kind of easily lol. Thinking about calling this one Underwater Adventure. Here are the 3 slimes we rated. Tell me what you would call them in comments. Customizing in next video.